This is how you get results from social media with a content strategy that uses marketing psychology. That means that we have a specific plan that we're following, and every single piece of content that you create has a specific goal. That's what's going to give you momentum and attract an engaged, high-quality targeted audience for your following. Welcome back. Hey, I'm SHANTÉ. I'm a freelance social media manager that works with 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs. And today I'm walking you through how to create a content strategy that actually converts. So here's what a good strategy does. It skips the gimmicky growth hacks because honestly, these are not sustainable and they don't really work long term. Your strategy is going to tell you exactly what to post and when to post it. Your content has a specific purpose and not all of it is supposed to be high performing. Sounds weird, I know, but just wait, I'll explain. It uses each platform's algorithm to your advantage and it gets you the results that you're after. So let's get into it. Not every social media platform is created equal. Not only are there different types of people who use them, but the way that they use them is also very different. Which means that we as marketers need to understand which platforms need what type of content to perform well. Based on your goals, here's which social media platform you should focus on. If you want brand awareness and visibility, you should look into TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and LinkedIn if your audience are business professionals. If you want to build an engaged community or following, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook groups, and LinkedIn if your audience is professionals, and Twitter are great for that. If you want to collect leads to convert into sales, the best platforms for that is Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. If you want direct sales and website traffic, you're going to want to look at Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. And if you just want to provide customer service, you can use Instagram, Facebook, Facebook groups, and Twitter. Now it's time to understand your target customer. This could be anything from gender, age, location, interests, buying patterns, personal values, and more. You also need to understand their common experiences and the way that it relates to their goals in relation to what it is that you have to offer or what it is you're selling. What does your offer fix in their lives? How does it make it better? How does this make them feel? What does the before and an after look like when it comes to using your offer? Does it change their lifestyle? Does it save them time? Does it make their lives any easier? Big or small, knowing the before and the after is huge when marketing your offer. Now, if you're not sure where to get this information, Google and answerthepublic.com are great places to start, so I recommend going there. It can also help if you analyze your direct competitors. You want to know what they're doing on social media and conduct a SWOT analysis. That means knowing what they're doing well on social media, so their strengths, what they're not doing so well on social media, so weaknesses, what they could potentially do better to leverage what they're doing well at, which is opportunities, and what they're not doing so well at and where maybe you could come slide in, which would be threats. So now that we know everything there is to know about our target customer, creating a content strategy that speaks to them is easy. All we need to do is follow the buying decision journey, and that looks like this. The first phase is awareness. So for awareness, people become aware of the brand, product, or offer, and they also become aware that they have a need or a problem and there is a solution. Content should answer the question of what things do they need to know? And we need to tell them what we want them to do with this specific post. Engage or share and follow the account if they aren't already. Really, at the end of the day, we just want them to see the post. Then we enter into phase 2, which is familiarity. This is when they start recognizing the brand, product, offer, and know that it offers a solution to their problem. Content should answer the question of who is this offer for and how do we show that we understand their unique problem. And what we want them to do with this specific post, engage, follow, and save. Now we enter the consideration phase. So they're starting to consider purchasing a solution to their problem, but they haven't decided who they're going to purchase from yet. This is when we create content that makes our solution the obvious choice. We want them to engage, save, and possibly share. Then they enter the final phase, which is the purchase phase. They've decided they're going to make a purchase. They've decided who they're going to purchase with, which is you, hopefully. And now they need motivation to purchase now rather than a few months down the road. And we want them to move to purchase, whether that's clicking the link in your bio or purchasing directly through the app, any posts you have that direct people away from the app is going to be lower in performance, lower reach, lower impressions, lower engagement. But what you really want to track are web clicks or purchases. Now we can create individual pieces of content based around these different phases, and the content should be customized based on your unique goal for each piece of content. So if you want shares, you need to make it really relatable and shareable. If you want saves, it needs to have valuable information that people are going to want to access later. If you want website clicks, have multiple call to actions. Maybe it's on your video, maybe it's in your carousel, multiple times within your caption, because you want people to ultimately go to your website rather than engage and stay on the app. Now I've created a sample content strategy for you so you can see how I plug the strategy into an actual client's content. So for this client, they are a realtor in San Francisco. Their target audience is new investors and house flippers. So for their awareness content, we're going to create personal and lifestyle content in San Francisco and share some house flipping before and afters. This creates awareness of who they are, where they're located, and what they do. Then the next phase is familiarity, and we're going to create content that is relatable and humorous when it comes to specifically being a house flipper or a new investor. Lessons learned, mistakes that are made, things that are funny that happen. Phase 3 is the consideration. So we're going to create educational content that separates us from other realtors who focus on this specific audience. So we can show their expertise in this specific market. We can bust myths within the market. We can share social proof and results. And maybe we even include a list of people or contractors that they can work with after they purchase and want to move forward with the flip. Then we're in purchase phase. And these are just going to be direct call outs that identify who it is they want to work with and tells them to book a call, schedule a consultation, gets them off of the app and into our client's inbox. I go into even more detail on this in the 4 non-negotiables to creating a successful strategy. This includes selecting your KPIs or key performance indicators so that you can measure what it is you're doing and if it's actually helping you reach your goals, setting realistic growth goals, and how to speak to your client's target audience with unique on-brand messaging that converts for your clients. I teach a breakdown of traditional marketing funnels and how to utilize them for your clients no matter what their industry is or their account size, so that you can create highly optimized content for your clients. We cover paid versus organic strategy, so that you know whether or not your client should or should not run paid ad campaigns on the different platforms. And we go over understanding metrics and reporting so that you know what to include in your reports, what to say, how to answer any questions your clients may have, and how to put together your monthly results reports. Plus, I created a workbook for you that's included with my mini course, Marketing Funnels for Social Media Managers. Get access at sugarpunchmarketing.com/programs. Hope you found that helpful. You can drop any comments or questions you have below and subscribe here on YouTube. If you want to watch my behind the scenes of being a social media manager, I post those over in my Instagram stories, so make sure you follow me over there. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.